What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at it with another video, man. Y'all see I dropped that prank on the wifey. I tried to do something different on the channel, but she just caught on so fast. I even had a camera rolling. Y'all seen the whole fail, epic fail, but we did turn around to the vlog. Went to main event, had some fun, bowled, played some laser tags, stuff like that. Had fun with the family, so if y'all not checked that vlog out, make sure you check it out. It was a dope day, and even though I took an L, still had fun with the film, man. So today we're gonna be doing a how to lace the Air Max 720, man. Y'all know I never did a lace tutorial over anything but Jordans and foam posits, but this time I'm trying to expand it, you know what I'm saying? See who really is trying to figure out how to lace their sneakers. And of course, this one's gonna be over the Air Max 720s, man. This is kind of like a newer model. They put some hype on it, they put OBJ name on it. I can see a lot of more features of like artists and athletes and stuff like that to come with these Air Maxes to try to bring the hype back around the Air Maxes, man. And right here we got the Air Max 720s, and yeah, we're gonna show you how to lace them with 3 dope ways. You already know how I do. I always give you 3 different lace styles so you can choose from, and also give me your opinion on which one you like the most, and also to let you know which one you should do as well. So with all that being said, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video. Let's get this video to 100 likes. You already know the goal, man. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, and today the giveaway has ended for the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays, man. So I hope you entered. Hopefully you got drawn. We're about to do the whole random comment picker on each giveaway video. Then we're gonna raffle those 4 names, and whoever wins, man. So we're gonna do a lot more giveaways. So if you do not win, don't get mad. We're gonna get back to you guys. Trust and believe that. So with all that being said, let's jump right into the video, man. Let's get it. All right, so the first lace style you see right here, it's kind of a funky one. You already know I gotta throw the loose lace in all of my lace tutorials because that's something I did a lot. Like when I was in high school, I had Roshis and I always kept them loose, or I either kept them tied up. So it was either one of the two, but I kind of wanted to see different ways to lace. I didn't get too crazy with it, like, you know, a couple other people that do like the crazy lace tutorials, but these are kind of like pretty much basic, but a lot of people don't know what they should do with it. Like, it's a new sneakerhead every day, and they're trying to figure out how should they lace their sneakers, man. That's why I feel like these videos are very helpful. Like I keep telling y'all, it's a new sneakerhead every day. It's somebody that say, let me just start buying shoes as a new hobby. So I'm here to help you guys, and I'm gonna be learning how to lace these Air Max 720 things. So check out the first lace tutorial. I'm gonna turn this brightness down for y'all so y'all can check it out. Right there, you can see it's nothing too crazy, just a little loose. But we're gonna go through that on this sneaker right here, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So with all that being said, let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so for this one right here, as you can see, is the first lace style. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you don't never have to like measure. You don't have to be precise with it. You just want to look neat and nice, and that does not require a ruler, whatever you think you might need to do to make it look perfect like this, you know what I'm saying? Because this is the vintage way, that OG the vintage way, you feel me? But this is how it looks. So we're gonna get into this one so we can make this one look like this one, man. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start right here. I'm not gonna unlace the whole shoe because I'm pretty sure you know how to lace your shoes if you're watching this video. So we're gonna start from here. All you gotta do is go under and over just like this right here, man. Just like that. Go back under the other way. Just like that. And then we're gonna go under one more time to go to this lace hole right here. Not the back one, but the front one right here, as you can see. And we're just gonna pop it straight through there, and we're gonna get to like making it look neater after we get it through this lace hole right here. So just do just like that. If you're watching the video, if you want to go step by step with me, rewind it, pause it, do whatever you got to do so you can try to make it look as identical as this is possible. So all right, as you can see right here, you got all this little extra room, but that's easy to knock out. You just, you know what I'm saying, make little adjustments throughout the whole shoe, all the shoelaces, and try to make it look as even as possible. With these laces, they're a little bit thicker than these over here. These are like the thin rope laces, and these are the thick rope laces, you can see, but it still shouldn't be that hard. So just imagine your foot being there, or you can even put the shoe on and make it look as even as possible around the whole shoe, man. Just so you ain't, you know what I'm saying, walk around with a whole bunch of laces on top and not enough at the bottom. It don't look even. So just like that, very simple. That's all you have to do to get this lace style right here, man. Just the loose lace look, whatever you want to call it. I think that's what I called on my first how to lace video. I watched that video the other day, and I was just like, man, I came a long way. But check it out right here. There you have it. You can make it look a little bit more neater, but like I said, when your foot go in there, it'd be easier because the tongue will be pressed against the laces, and then you can, you know, make the adjustments you need to make. But that is how you do the first lace look over the Air Max 720s, man. So comment down below if you like this one the most, but we do have 2 other lace styles, so stay tuned. All right, so leading to the second lace look right here, as you can see, just pretty much a knot. All you do is wrap it around your finger and put it through, and you know what I'm saying, tie it just like this. But this is dependent on you. You can either leave it up here, or you can drop it one more to like have it loose down here as well, and still have the same amount of distance to where, you know what I'm saying, don't go too far past like the toe box or whatever. So it's up to you if you want to keep it up here or drop it one and have these loose. But this is the style I like the most. I did the on foot already. I was digging this one the most. I already rocked these shoes, you can see. But let's get right into how to lace it with this little knot right here, man. Pull these laces out real quick. Very simple lace style. Like I said, I'm not gonna go all the way down. So we're gonna start from right here. Grab whatever you have left, and you're gonna do the same thing you've been doing the whole time. Go under the sneaker to go over it like that. Just like that, man. Like I said, you can do the minor adjustments after you get done doing the knot right here. So just pull this through, pull the sneaker up, you know what I'm saying. You might have to, like I said, tighten it up a little bit, but it's depending on you. You can have it tighter, you can have it loose, wherever you want. It's just the style that I like, you know, and I want to show you guys. So I like mine's like this. We'll loosen it up a little bit after we get this knot made. Just like this. You grab it, put it around your fingers. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Grab these two right here after you made the hole around your finger, and you just put it in. Pause. And you pull through just like that, and you have that knot just like that, man. And like I said, you can have this loose, you can have it tight like this, whatever you want. But just depending on you, either have to start from here, or you have to start from here if you want to looser, of course. So that is the second lace style. Very simple. It looked dope. It looked dope to me, man. So here you have it, the second lace style. Let's get into the on foot. Alright, so here you have it, the last lace style right here. It's pretty much the OG, you know what I'm saying, bunny ears, through the knot, whatever you was learning when you was a kid, the first lace you ever did on your sneakers as a kid. Here you have it, just like this. But this is depending on you as well. You can leave it up here, you can drop it here, you can even drop it here. It's just depending on how loose you want your sneaker, how crazy you want them to look. With this sneaker right here, I would go all out with it. I would go down here and lace it right here so I can have all this even more loose. Like I said, this is a simple lace style, something you can do if you don't feel like, you know what I'm saying, having the laces hanging off. You don't want to have the knot. You can just have the regular, traditional way you learn how to lace your sneakers with the regular little bunny ears, whatever you want to call it. So let's get into it. This is very easy. I'm pretty sure everybody that's watching this video know how to lace it like this, because this is what we was taught, man. So let's pull this one out just like that. We can loosen up. We can do whatever we want with this sneaker, as long as we get that end goal to get this the bunny ears or whatever you want to call it. So let's pull this out, get a little more loose, you feel me? And hey, look at this, look, boom, boom, cross, tie it up real quick. These laces are weird, man. Get your bunny ear over here. You see that bunny ear right there? You get this one over here, just like that. Or you can do the other way you learn how to lace, wrap it around, put it through right there, see that, and then pull, boom, just like that. That look a little sloppy, but you get where I'm going with it. It's a traditional way you learn how to lace your sneakers, and now you have it on both of them. You have it in a white lace, you have it in a black with a little crazy rainbow feel to it, and yeah, that's it. This is how you learn how to lace your sneakers for the first shoe you ever tied up. This is how you learn. So I gotta throw this one back in there. This is still gonna go down as one of the best lace looks ever, man, because this is what we was taught as kids. So here you have it. Enjoy this on foot, and let me know in the comment section below right now which one you like the most. Alright guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Like I said, I want to do these more frequently like I used to do back in the day. I was dropping so much how-to lace videos. Now I'm gonna get back to it. Those are the videos that are really, you know what I'm saying, do numbers if you want to put it like that. So hopefully this video get pushed out to you guys, especially the new sneakerheads out there that picked up a pair of 720s and they're like, how can I lace these shoes going back to school looking, you know what I'm saying, dope. Even if you got a basic colorway, you can make your shoes look a little different, make them pop a little harder with your lace style, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not liked the video, make sure you like the video. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. If y'all don't know what the goal is, man, it is 20,000 subscribers, man. This to motivate the youth. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like I said, more how-to tutorials dropping very, very soon. Y'all might see a how to lace Air Jordan 14 video very, very soon. Might drop tomorrow. You never know. Make sure your notification bell is lit, and I'm gonna catch you guys next video, man. Peace.